Okay, I'm here today just to talk to you about considering design and technology as part of your senior study for next year. Um, Students that would be interested in design and technology may be at this point in time thinking about a design career or studying design at uni or TAFE after school. They may be interested in becoming a designer, an architect, and are interested in what's the theory as well as the practical elements of design. Um, if you are an independent learner who can manage your time well, design and technology would suit you. And design and technology is going to offer you a great opportunity to improve your research, your practical, and your evaluation skills. Maybe some of these subjects might interest you, which is covered in both the Year 11 and 12 Design and Technology syllabus. So we look at designing and producing, which includes looking at particular types of design and designers, innovation and emerging technologies and their impact on individuals, society and the environment. There will be an examination of design activities and design trends and how this, what their consequences are socially, ethically and environmentally. And we also have some examination of areas of support, which include marketing, management and manufacturing. Now, it would be great if you were able to come to Year 11 Design and Technology with a particular set of skills. Now, there's no particular course requirements, but what is critical is your time management skills. You need to be able to meet deadlines. And you need to be able to meet deadlines not just in terms of assessment tasks, but in terms of getting work completed. You definitely need to be able to work in a group situation and you need to be able to offer advice to fellow students as well. It would be good if you're able to work independently, undertake some research, evaluate it, and then apply your findings to a practical task or to a particular problem that needs to be solved. If you have some creativity or an interest in innovation, you would be a great design and technology student. And it's critical that you have reasonable writing skills and computer skills. Now, what should you be concerned about with design and technology? And the major concern is the major design project in Year 12. You start that at the beginning of Year 11, Term 4, and it's finished about midway through Term 3 of Year 12. It must be a product, a system or environment, and it must reflect nearly 4 terms of work. You have to have a portfolio that supports the MDP, and that can be up to 80 pages long. And you also need to create a video that would maybe show the construction steps, the creation, or even the evaluation of your major design project. You are responsible for the design, the research, the construction, and the evaluation of the MDP. It is a major project and it's worth 60% of your final mark. Here's what assessment looks like in design and technology. There is a group work project in Year 11. There's no group work project in Year 12. There also is an end of course exam in Year 11 as well. Now, some of the realities of the Design and Technology HSC course is you are also responsible for the costs of the MDP. They can be quite costly depending on what you've decided to work in. There's a lot of work involved in the MDP. We do have holiday classes leading up into submission of the task, but I have found that the students that are good managers of their time and have the ability to focus at the task at hand and not be overwhelmed by what's coming up are the students that can do quite well. Now, one of the other realities of the course is that it's the MDP, as I mentioned before, is worth 60%, but your examination is worth 40%. One of the great things about design and technology is you can work in any medium that you want. You may be interested in textiles, you may be interested in timber, you may be interested in web page design or multimedia. You may be able to incorporate a food project as well as some graphic design. That's one of the great benefits of design and technology. Thanks for listening.